Tech tip: before embarking on your next road trip adventure, make sure your vehicle is road trip ready by checking these essential components. Fluid levels: ensure your oil, coolant, brake fluid, and window washer fluid are topped up. Tire condition: check tire pressures, tread depth, and look for any signs of wear or damage. Brakes: test your brakes for responsiveness and inspect brake pads and discs for wear. Battery health: check the battery terminals for corrosion and ensure it's holding a strong charge. Lights and signals: confirm all headlights, tail lights, turn signals, and brake lights are working properly. Belts and hoses: inspect belts for cracks or frames and hoses for leaks or bulges. Air conditioning: test your AC system to ensure it's cooling effectively for those hot summer drives. Don't have the time? We'll handle it for you with a complimentary multi-point inspection, or MPI, to ensure your vehicle is road trip ready. Book your inspection today by calling us at 678-293-8142 or visit www.nissanolithiasprings.com/schedule-service to schedule your next service appointment and hit that road with confidence.